Every day I earn money just playing NFT games, and as you can see on this game I can exchange my virtual gold on real money USDT, and today I will show you how to do this. So every day, every 24 hours I need to click collect gold. After that I need confirm what I want to do, and then I have more gold on my account. Everything what I need to do is just exchange them to real money, and as you can see I have $12 more. And this game is only starting to work. As you can see, the age is only 16 days. And the similar projects can work even 500 days. So just imagine if every day you earn $12 and like that 500 days. So you will earn $6,000. I made first video about this game here, and as you can see she's starting growing. So this game is very safety because I and another YouTubers will promote this game, and that's why I upgraded pirates and invested my real money. But I won't earn more money, that's why now I won't upgrade this pirate, and every hour he will bring me more gold. So to buy him I need 15,000 coins, but on my balance I have 1,600, so I need to click plus and right here 134. After that I click approve, then I click next, approve, so I allow this website use my wallet, and now I need to click deposit. And now as you can see on my balance I have 15,000 coins, so I can easily buy this pirate. Of course every time you need to confirm what you want to do. And now I upgraded my pirate, and every hour will earn almost 5,000 gold per hour. So now I will earn $20 per day, and per 500 days it will be $10,000. And I invested not a lot of money. Also guys, in the next video I will upgrade this pirate and I will buy this pirate, so I will earn more and more money. As you can understand, I plan to earn a lot of money from this game, because I'm sure that this game will work a lot of time, and all of this time every day we will earn money. Okay guys, everything what you need to do is just go under this video and click on the game link. After that you need to log in and connect your MetaMask wallet. But if you don't know how to do this, or if you won't use your mobile phone, you need just click on the instructions, and here you will find detailed step-by-step instructions, so you will easily register on this website. But if you have some questions, you can ask them on my Telegram group, and I will answer you by myself. Okay guys, I hope you invest on this game on the beginning and you will not cry in the future. Also subscribe on my channel to not lose new videos on the future, and watch this video.